1976 R90s with 30,000 miles on it in pieces. The frame, swing arm, center stand, headlight ears, upper triple clamp and the handlebar clamps are all going to get painted. They're going out next week. I'm leaving the Daytona orange alone. It's original paint. I'm not going to do anything with it. I polished it out. Shine came back, so I'm going to leave it alone. This bike's been sitting since '84, I want to say. I will go through and reseal the gearbox, the timing chest, the differential or the final drive. I'll rebuild the starter motor. Shocks, I'll pull the springs, powder coat them, and check the dampers. If the dampers are good, I'll powder coat the springs. If the dampers are no good, I'll probably just buy some icons or something. The exhaust system I'm going to leave alone for now. It's original pipes, original headers, and they're in okay shape. The pipes, the silencers are in particularly good shape. A couple dings, but you don't see them. They're on the inside where the shock mounts. Prior owner must have tried to yank off a shock, or somebody did, and pulled it into the silencer and dinged on both sides where the shocks mount. Clutch, I'll check the clutch. I'll pull the heads and the cylinders and reseal the push rod tube seals, and I'll check the heads for valve seat recession and wear. But this project will probably, normally I would do something like this in about 3 or 4 weeks, but I'm going to really take my time on this and just putz on it over the summer. So I will be uploading more videos showing the progress. I won't be doing how-to videos necessarily, but I will keep yours posted as to progress of reassembly at each stage.